A pleasant morning, everyone. We are Group 9 from 11 Zoom. Today, we're going to talk about the relationship between self-discipline and completion of learning activities among GFA students. Today, we have Sir Mark to introduce us to the study.
Our study looks at the lived experience of GFA senior high students during online learning in the pandemic. We want to understand the problems they faced, how often these problems happen, and what helps them finish their school activities. Instead of using numbers, we use phenomenology, which focuses on real experience and personal stories. The study also considers things like the student's device, internet access, learning setup, and support from other people. By doing this, we hope to understand the students better and help improve learning in the future.
So, we have Sir Dens to our second presenter.
This study examined how self-discipline relates to the completing of learning activities among GPA students, and it is important because it helps students understand how discipline affects their school performance and encourage them to develop better study habits and time management.
We have Sir Ramirez to our third presenter.
For our Chapter 2, we reviewed studies about our two variables, self-discipline and the completion of learning activities. Based on the research, self-discipline means being able to manage your time, avoid distractions, and stay focused on school tasks. Many studies show that students with higher self-discipline perform better and submit their activities on time. For the second variable, completion of learning activities, the literature says that students who follow a study routine and manage their schedules well are more likely to finish their task within the deadline. When we combine the findings, the studies all agree that self-discipline has a strong effect on students' ability to complete their learning activities. This also shows why our research is important, especially for GFA students, because there aren't many local studies that focus on the exact relationship.
So, we have Sir John Dave for our fourth presenter.
A review of related literature focuses on how self-discipline affects the completion of learning among GFA students. Okay. Studies show that self-discipline helps students control distractions, follow study routines, and stay motivated. Researchers like Zimmerman, Tiny, and Michelle all agree that disciplined learners plan better and persist longer. Meanwhile, task completion improves when students manage their time and avoid procrastination, as shown by Balkis, Steele, Klingsek, and Nonis and Hudson. Overall, this literature shows that higher self-discipline leads to better task completion. However, few studies focus specifically on Filipino senior high students, which is why this research is very important.
Okay, for last presenter, our study, we use quantitative correlational design to examine the relationship between self-discipline, which is independent variable, and the completion of learning activities, which is the dependent variable. The both variables were measured at the ordinal level. We use surveys or rankings. Population and sample. The population that we consisted of is 300 grade 11 ICT students of GFA Senior High School using Sloven's formula with a 0.05 margin of error, and the sample size was 171 students selected through simple random sampling for us to ensure equal chances of participation. Last, the data gathering. We collected data through survey and questionnaires, including only the students who were present and enrolled to the GFA students and willing to participate in our data gathering collection. I hope that you learn us today, and thank you for watching.